So over here, if I were to go ahead and expand the left hand side, you can see that there are a lot of topics right here. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and pin out some of the chats because they are important for me. In that case, you can actually go around onto the more option and then choose pin. Once you do that, it actually comes to the pin section right here. You can actually go around over here as well. Let's say, for example, in this one, and then go to pin, and it actually comes to the pin section right here, just like this. You can go around right here onto, let's say, for example, let's scroll down onto the coffee booking app framework. I can go ahead and then pin it out onto the top. And you can see that all of them are now pinned right here, just like this. And now you can also go ahead and unpin it if it is not important. You can go around onto more and then unpin it right here just like this, and it gets unpinned out right there. So that is how you can go ahead and pin and unpin chats out inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.